Welcome back to BioMindscape. Today we are going to explore the Dr. Duke's Phytochemical and Ethnobotanical database, which is maintained by the USDA, and it covers the plant chemical biological activity and ethnobotanical use globally. Then what are the plant database? Plant database is a plant phytochemical database is a collection or organized plant secondary metabolites, chemical structure, and theoretical use for research. So now let's go with the Dr. Duke's database. So here in the filter section, we have to enter like phytochemical, biological activity, chemical, plant, syndrome, ethnobotanical activity, ethnobotanical plant. We can choose any one of it and search for the particular plant we want. We can know the phytochemical, we can know the plant name, we can know the syndromes that are related to it, and we can also know about the ethnobotanical activities of a particular ethnobotanical plants and even the plant as well. For example, if we take a phytochemical biological activity for a term, like here example it's given red clover, we will go with zeamase. Here we are going with zeamase, so we just click the plant and we get the name of the plant, like the activities of the plant, the chemical counts of the plant, and the references also given in this particular website. Now for the activity, chronotropic activity, we can know the chemical names, the dosage, and the references for a particular plant. So we can search the plants whichever we want in this search engine database. So these are the chemical constituent, and even for knowing the plant part, lower part per millions, higher part per million standard deviation. So here we can also select a particular plant part like anther, brain, cob, cotyledon, embryo, endosperm, essential oil, flower, fruits, then juice, leaf, oil, etc. And seeds as well, and stem tissue culture as well. We can also apply filters. So we can know the chemical names, the activity count, then the references. We can exclude the ubiquitous chemical and search it. Like for particular leaf, if we apply for a particular leaf, we can know the activity count, the chemical constituent, also other plant name are also given here. For example, the fruit of the citrus, you can go with it, you can read out the other names as well, and whichever plants you refer for your work. We can also search for ethnobotanical plants as well, the activities of ethnobotanical plant as well. Here we can see the activity, the country where it is found, and the references. For example, we can select any of the country here and we can apply the filter. So we will get which activity of the region, like Cephalus for Abelomoscus, for various plants like agave, Agelomoscus, then Azadirachta indica. Like in India, it is there. The plant name, we can download the CSV and XLSX file. Here these results can be shown here. So this was all about the Dr. Duke's phytochemical and ethnobotanical database. So for knowing such concepts, follow BioMindscape.